Hello everyone. Today, we mark not just a date, but also celebrate a huge milestone. 500 days of BITS Law School. It's been an incredible journey, and today we reflect on all we have achieved together. One of the standout moments has been the inauguration of our permanent campus in the Mumbai metropolitan region by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Finance Minister. This campus will be the foundation of countless memories and achievements for years to come. We've also expanded our global reach, forging partnerships with renowned law schools like Pace University, Elizabeth Hobbs School of Law, University College Dublin Sutherland School of Law, and the University of New Hampshire Franklin Pierce School of Law. These collaborations open doors for exchange programs, joint research, and a broader international perspective on legal education. We've also signed an MOU with the Maharashtra State Human Rights Commission. This exciting partnership creates opportunities for internships, research, and awareness programs, bringing real-world human rights work right into our academic experience. This year was also special for many of us, as we celebrated our very first Foundation Day. We were privileged to hear from Honorable Justice Geeta Mittal, Senior Advocate Navroz Hirway, whose speeches reminded us of the profound impact the law can have on society. We also hosted a symposium on deepfakes and trust, implications for technology, law, and business in collaboration with USC Gould School of Law and the University of Sussex, diving deep into the ethical and legal concerns of emerging technologies. Another proud moment was the launch of our Legal Aid Clinic in collaboration with the Mumbai Suburban District Legal Services Authority. This clinic allows us to apply our classroom learnings to real-life situations, providing free legal assistance to those who need it the most, while gaining valuable hands-on experience. Beyond academics, student life in BITS Law has been thriving, with over 10 committees, societies, and clubs fostering deep engagement. From our Sports Fest Raftar and Cultural Night Eaters to the Shark Tank event by Fiscus Lex, it's been a non-stop stream of activities. The exhibition From Raj to Rights for the Legal History course was another highlight, where we explored the evolution of legal systems in colonial India. It was amazing to see our peers showcase their creativity through storytelling and performance art. We've also made our mark on national platforms. Our delegation to the first BITS MU in Goa brought home 5 awards, including 2 Best Delegate honors. This year, we also embarked on a study excursion to places like the Godrej Archives, Bombay High Court, Century Rayon, and Kanheri Caves, where we gained practical insights into the legal world, while also deepened our bond with the community. Internships have been a key focus too. Thanks to the ISEA team, we've had opportunities to intern at organizations like Tata Chemicals, Kellogg's, DLF, Aditya Birla Group, Nivea, CRISIL, IIFL Finance, and several human rights commissions. In August, we moved into our new campus and welcomed the BITS Pilani Diamond Jubilee cohort, the class of 2029. Their orientation included an inspiring session with Ms. Pallavi Shroff, whose journey motivated all of us for the road ahead. We also saw the launch of the Young India Unchained Club on International Youth Day by Ms. Aditi Tatkare, Honorable Minister for Women and Child Development, Government of Maharashtra. This club empowers us to address critical issues such as campus safety and human trafficking. Our learning experiences have been enriched by industry leaders like Mr. Navneet Vibhav from Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, Mr. Vaibhav Ganjiwale from Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, and experts from Bahura. We also had the privilege of learning from visiting faculty like Professor Bernd Justin Jude, Dr. Sasmit Patra, and Ms. Jhuma Sen, whose perspectives have broadened our academic horizons. Additionally, the establishment of the CRISP with a grant from Qualcomm has been fostering research in IP law and patent policies, areas that are becoming increasingly important in today's tech-driven world. We also launched the BITS Law Writing Center, which is strengthening our skills in both legal and creative writing. As we reflect on these 500 days, we're reminded of the unforgettable moments, from the Chancellor's dinner with Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla to the grand gala dinner hosted by Taj Sats, and a screening of Newton with actor Danish Hussain. Each of these events has played a role in creating a vibrant and close-knit community on our campus. Looking back, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Dean, Professor Ashish Bharadwaj, whose vision has shaped BITS Law into what it is today. We're also deeply thankful to our dedicated faculty, whose expertise inspires us every day, and to our teaching and research fellows, administration, and support staff for their constant guidance. Thank you all for being a part of this remarkable journey. On behalf of everyone at BITS Law, I wish you a very happy new year, filled with success, growth, and new beginnings.